Ubiquitous, ambiguous, meticulous, conundrum, eloquent. Ubiquitous mean found everywhere. For example, smartphones are ubiquitous these days, you see them everywhere. Meticulous means very detail-oriented and careful. For example, she's so meticulous that she checks every detail before submitting her work. Ambiguous, unclear, open to interpretation. For example, his answer was so ambiguous that nobody understood what he really meant. Conundrum, a confusing problem. For example, choosing between a high-paying job and a job you love can be a real conundrum. Eloquent, speaking beautifully and persuasively. For example, he gave such an eloquent speech that the entire audience was captivated.